Hi friends, this is Dr. Abdekayam Chimthanawala. Today I will discuss one of my very important case, and I learned a very important remedy indicated for those conditions. Normally when we have a polychrist remedy, we remember a lot of symptoms, then we remember specifically for what it is indicated, and we have sometimes periodized mind about that remedy. But this symptom where when the female told me about the complaints, that remedy worked wonderfully. Only few symptoms the patient told me, and that led me to prescribe this remedy. There was a lady who came to me when she was about 45 years of age, and she told me, sir, since the past 4 to 6 months I have violent pain whenever I have menses, violent dysmenorrhea during menses, and I have tried. I normally take a lot of painkillers. Since past 2 or 3 months I am taking painkillers, but still the pain subsides after 3 or 4 days. It is so much painful. The doctor had given me tablets. Till the time I take tablet, it is better, but it is absolutely not okay when I don't take the tablets. And she told me specifically that up till now, when my menses started till now, I had no problem in my menses. During this period only, at the age of 45, now I am suffering from dysmenorrhea, violent pain during menses. This was a symptom of the ladies. See a lady condition where she had absolutely normal menses, but now at menopause, such violent pain. Of course, you might attribute that to maybe the menses are now at the stage of menopause, and that's why there is pain. But of course, we have to treat this condition also. Then I asked her, how is the menses? And she told, sir, menses are late now. It comes after 2 months, sometimes 2.5 months. It is coming late for the past 1 or 2 years. It is late, but the pain is still there. Starting the pain was not severe, but as I am progressing with age, the pain is increasing. So she had late menses. Then I asked her, does the menses is it offensive? And she said, sir, the menses is very much offensive. So these were the symptoms of the patient. I asked about the character of the blood, and she says, sir, sometimes it is normal, sometimes it is clotted, sometimes it is maroon in color, sometimes slight blackish in color. So the gynecologist told her that the menses are now going to stop. It is menopause, so the character of blood might change. Her ultrasound was normal. There was no fibroid in the uterus, and the endometrial thickness also was normal. But she was very much worried about the dysmenorrhea, and she told me that she had taken homeopathy also, but with no results. I asked her anything more. She has symptom. She told just one symptom, that I get sometimes a problem of leukorrhea when the menses subsides. After menses, the leukorrhea starts. So these were the only 3-4 symptoms. I had also prescribed the remedies, but with no result. So I tried to repertorize whatever the patient told me in the rubric form. The most important symptom, what will you take for prescription? Violent dysmenorrhea. You'll be surprised to know there is a rubric called that menses dysmenorrhea near climatic period. Means there is painful menses nearing climatic period, or you can say painful menses before menopause. Very specific rubric, specific symptom in one of the remedies. So if you know this symptom, then the remedy is very clear. Menses painful before menopause and menses dysmenorrhea near climatic period. You add 2 symptoms what the patient told you, that menses are offensive and the menses are late, and leukorrhea after menses. If you repertorize these 3-4 symptoms, only one remedy will come in the repertory chart, and that is Soranum. Soranum or no-sod, a very important remedy. We use normally as intercurrent remedy, and lot other complaints like carrion lycodere and all. But in this lady, a menopausal lady with violent dysmenorrhea, I had never used Soranum. I gave this lady Soranum 1 single dose, and I asked her to come after a month, because after the menses period. The next month the lady came and she said, sir, continue this medicine. The pain was still there, but it has subsided 60 to 70%. Now I can bear the pain. I don't have to take any tablets. The offensiveness also is better. Continue the medicines. In 3 months' time, all the symptoms of dysmenorrhea vanished like magic, just by one dose of Soranum 1M. This is how you have to learn your Mater Medica every day with every patient. I learned Soranum with these complaints. When I was reading Soranum, 1 or 2 symptoms I found very useful. I would like to share with you. In Soranum, whenever the lady is pregnant, the fetus movements are very violent movement of the fetus, a very important symptom of Soranum. In fact, when the fetus movement is violent with vomiting also, and that is only Soranum. The movement of fetus is violent with vomiting. The fetus moves so much that the patient starts vomiting. That is also given in Soranum. Of course, if you look at the repertory, one symptom called as menses painful before menopause, with Soranum there is one more remedy, and that is Semesifuga. But menses, dysmenorrhea, near climatic period, only one remedy, Soranum. So these are 4 to 5 symptoms of Soranum you must remember to prescribe in lady of dysmenorrhea at the time of climacteric. Again, I'll recap few symptoms: menses too late, menses offensive, dysmenorrhea at climatic period, menses painful before menopause, leukorrhea after menses. To add 2 symptoms more: fetus movements very painful, or sorry, not painful, it is violent, and fetus movements violent with vomiting. That sums up a short symptomatology related to female organs in Soranum. If you like this video, please do share and subscribe. Thank you.